Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to change a Chevy Trax headlight. Park on level ground, turn off the ignition, and open the hood. Remove the retaining screws or clip at the back of the headlight, then disconnect the power plug carefully. Pull the bulb straight out and avoid touching the glass. Insert the new bulb firmly, reconnect the plug, secure the assembly, and test the light before closing the hood. Start by gathering tools: gloves, a clean cloth, a screwdriver, and a replacement bulb rated for your Trax. Turn on hazards and test both headlights to confirm the faulty side. If access is tight, remove the battery or wheel well cover for clearance, following manufacturer safety. Always wear gloves to avoid oils on the bulb and use a cloth when handling. Dispose of the old bulb safely. After installing the new bulb, test the beam alignment and brightness to ensure proper performance. Check for condensation inside the headlight housing, which signals a seal issue, and replace gaskets if needed. Inspect wiring and connectors for corrosion or damage, and repair with dielectric grease to protect contacts. If the bulb blows again quickly, verify voltage at the socket and consider a different bulb type rated for Trax specifications today.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.